Boy, kukuhanin na. Ano? Di na daw yung kalamdragay. Nagulumay na ba? Oo, diba? Hindi. Hindi.
The owner of that dog is now in jail. Oh, what the news? You won't like. Hello, oh, I go again, Sisi. How sad. How sad na. Jerry, hi to you.
Hi, good night, everyone.
Are you going to sleep now?
Yeah.
Okay, good night.
Okay.
Ay, ka nakatulog.
Ano yung nakakabot ko? Dali na nakaksan.
He is never getting pitbull back. It's good now. And our dad adapt that. Oh. Hey Jerry, hi to Jerry. Hi to Jerry, how are you guys? Please leave a like guys, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Of course also guys, you can support me by doing sending super sticker or super chat. Just click the dollar sign below. Thank you so much. Jerry, hello Ross. Hi to Jerry. Anyone guys, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. Malalaman mo rin ito. Kapag ikaw nakakatawa. Don't be sad, Arko. It's okay. At first, I locked the door always so I would not die of being a part of from a people. No, it's okay, I could use. Done is done, okay? God is gone. Oh, oh. Oh my God, I'm getting sleepy now. I call so you guys have the dog now, right? Why from that dog? Yes. And I keep the cats in my room. It's okay. I know that you are a big lover, Aiko. You have a good heart. That's crazy, Aiko. Rose the Hunter, hi to you. Do you like to go? Do you like to go to the nightclub? No, there is no nightclub here, and I don't want to go there also. I don't like noisy surroundings. It's that, yeah. Huh? If I go to the club, I'll be the bouncer. You see my. I will be bouncer if I'm going to the club. Guys, I don't like to go this kind of place because for me it's noisy. I like a peaceful place for me. So we took the pitbull to medical and also trained him. Oh, but still I know that pitbull is up to something. Oh my God, I couldn't. No comment for that. I could believe.